The crypto sentiment has changed pretty quickly. We're seeing green candles all over the place and plenty of altcoins are pumping again, but not equally. There's a disparity. Some projects are really taking off while others are just kind of starting to regain their footing. And that's why we've dug up 4 exceptional altcoins, winners among winners, some of which have actually great news coming up for their respective projects this week. So stick with us, guys. In this video, we're counting down the top 4 altcoins in the crypto space that you should have your eyes on right now. Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, my name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. We are first and foremost a crypto investment research company. We've been in this space for over 6 years and we've been making investors very happy since all the way back in 2017. We have documented many 100x returns on coins and tokens that are top projects today, really before anyone else was even talking about them. And if you want to see our detailed process for researching such projects, then our new and improved Altcoin Buzz Access group is for you. Check out the link in our description for more information. Our pricing starts at $99 per month. Just a friendly reminder, guys, we're expressing our opinions in this video. And, some of these are picks that we ourselves hold in our portfolios, no question about that. But even with that being said, just a quick caveat, this should not be considered official financial or investment advice. All right, let's launch right into our first pick here. Coin number 1 is Chiliz. The token, ticker CHZ, is the rocket fuel on socios.com. This is the place where you can buy all your favorite fan tokens. Fan tokens, if you're not familiar, are like a type of cryptocurrency that allow holders to vote on mostly minor decisions related to their sports clubs, their favorite sports clubs. And if you're noticing the pump today for CHZ, it's because just hours ago, literally, the news came out that football legend Lionel Messi has signed an agreement worth more than $20 million to promote digital fan token company socios.com. Socios currently has a new web app in beta mode, which has been released, and what started out with really football fan tokens has now evolved into fan tokens covering all kinds of areas in the sports and entertainment industries. We're talking gaming, MMA, mixed martial arts, basketball, tennis, American football, ice hockey for the other Canadians out there, motorsports, all kinds of other categories as well. And Chiliz and Socios are also giving fans a closer connection to their favorite teams and players. So for instance, this includes things like voting rights on choosing the players' kits for each season. And fans can also win VIP arrangements for matches or even meet and greets with their favorite players. And other exciting opportunities as well. This is an evolving ecosystem. And so the benefits and the perks really just seem to keep getting better and better. But really the big news about Chiliz is that they're about to launch their 2.0 testnet, or Chiliz Chain 2.0, CC2. So come Thursday, the 31st of March, which is 2 days away as of the time of this recording, it's going to be announced in Istanbul, Turkey by Alex Dreyfus. He's the CEO of Chiliz and Socios. And it's truly going to be, at least we're expecting it to be, a new era for the CHZ token. He has stated that Chiliz is becoming a layer 1 protocol for the sports and entertainment industry. So this is going to be a pretty massive milestone for the project as a whole. And they're really showcasing the strength of that community because there's a new naming contest for CC2. And the testnet launch of CC2 is a new framework for Web3 with sports and entertainment. So what's next after mainnet 2.0? It really feels like the sky is potentially the limit here for Chiliz. Okay, and as promised, let's do a quick price analysis, a technical analysis of the CHZ token. As you can see at the time of this recording, it's up over 8% on the day, sitting at 29 cents. And this is importantly above a crucial support zone of 21 cents. It's also above a 27-cent zone that used to be resistance, but it seems that at least for now, it's been broken. And if this continues, if this positive bullish momentum continues, we could see a move towards 31 cents, 36 cents, and 42 cents based on Fibonacci levels. But here's the bearish scenario. Over the course of these last really few weeks, yes, admittedly, CHZ has been in a downtrend channel. If you look at higher time frames like daily, weekly, and monthly candles, so we're not quite out of the bearish territory completely, not just yet. And so failure to hold on to this 27-cent support zone, that could bring us back down potentially to 21 cents. And if we continue to dip, then 15 and even 8 cents and potentially lower. In case you guys missed our detailed technical analysis, by the way, of Ethereum by Frank, who's back on the channel, check this video out. We'll link to it below. All right, coin number 2 we're looking at in this video is Axie Infinity. It's our second pick, the Sky Mavis project, of course, which became one of the most popular play-to-earn games. And during the start and height of COVID, it also became an alternative way of generating income for people all over the world, especially, of course, people who lost their jobs, unfortunately, in countries with lower income opportunities. Specifically countries like the Philippines and Cuba, where the popularity of this ecosystem really took off. So there's still very much a strong following in the Philippines with spin-offs from Axie like various guilds. These provide onboarding assistance to players who can't afford to join, like yield guild games. And the influence that Axie Infinity had on putting P2E, that's play to earn, on the map is undeniable. It's massive. Worldwide, players got introduced to the concept of P2E, and as a result, many other games profited from that movement. This week, we have 2 pieces of pretty big news concerning Axie. The first one is that Axie has reduced the number of free transactions. Depending on how many Axie or land NFT players own, that's going to influence the amount of free transactions. And so as a result, all Axie-related dApps on the Ronin chain saw an increase in traffic, and this is likely because they want to take advantage of the free transactions. The Katana DEX 59.9%, Axie Marketplace 18.77%, and Axie Infinity 25%. But the really big news is the introduction of Axie Infinity Origin, really the version 3 or V3 of the game. And as of right now, this should include a 3D environment, loads of new functionality, a redesign of the battle areas, and you can start playing with a free team of 3 Axies, Oleg, Booba, and Puffy. And especially that last feature should really open up Axie to an even bigger market and audience. And of course, guys, we also have the Axie TA technical analysis and price analysis for you. So the price of AXS currently sits at just under $70. AXS may retrace back to support levels just below this of $57.30. But after those retracements, if AXS manages to break above the resistance level, which right now we're close to, it sits at $71.50. Once it gets past that mark, then we're going to be bullish. Breaking above 71.50 with significant buying volume is going to lead most likely to a move towards $89.60 and $111.45. But here's the bearish scenario. AXS has been in a downward trend really over these last few months, so we don't have a strong bullish bias at the moment for a long-term scenario. But if the support level of 57.30 doesn't hold, then we could see a drop further to $44.10, $29.07, and possibly below. Coin number 3, and a perennial favorite of ours, is Chainlink. It's the king of oracles, really. There's no disputing that. Despite lots of new competition in the oracle space, Chainlink has managed to keep its first mover advantage. With their off-chain data and services, they supply on-chain smart contracts with information straight out of the real world. And their ecosystem is just enormous. They are without a doubt the #1 oracle provider in the crypto and blockchain space. And since Chainlink launched back in June 2017, the team has been working on getting their word and their services out. And this has resulted in a current ecosystem of 1,240 participants. Old mariners clearly remember when Chainlink added 1 new integration per week. However, get this, just yesterday on March 28th, Chainlink announced they added no fewer than 18 integrations in just 1 week. And this included 6 services distributed across 6 different chains. These chains included Avalanche, BNB Chain, Ethereum, Phantom, Polygon, and Solana. Those are some pretty heavy hitters all in one go. And furthermore, the integrations included 2 data provider nodes, 6 VRFs, that's verifiable random functions, 6 price feeds, 1 keeper, 2 data feeds, and 1 proof of reserve. Those are some pretty impressive features to add, especially in just 1 week. Furthermore, Chainlink also launched a new program, their premier enablement program, Startup. This, quote, is an online global community that empowers founders with the resources they need to launch and scale their Web3 startups. And so during the last 2 weeks, we saw the Link price increase no less than 26%. But before we go to the last coin, of course, we have the technical and price analysis of Link token that you guys want to hear about. Here's the bullish scenario. Right now, Link sits at over $17, which means it broke the bearish downtrend line on the lower time frames. We're talking 4-hour time frames. So it's now trading above the support zone of $15.30. If it stays above this zone, we could very well start seeing a move up above $17.40, $19.50, $22.70 based on Fibonacci. But here's the bearish scenario. Link, again, has been in a downtrend channel, and we're not completely out of the woods just yet when it comes to higher time frames. We're talking daily, weekly, and monthly. When it comes to those, Link is still in a downtrend. So failure to hold that support of $15.30 could mean a dip to $14, $12.89, and even $8.96. Not financial advice, but those would be pretty good buying opportunities, in my personal opinion. Coin number 4, AIOZ Network. Yes, last but not least, this layer 1 chain is interoperable with Ethereum and the Cosmos network. The network uses EVM and WASM smart contracts. So this gives instant finality, low transaction fees, multi-chain architecture, and Web3 content delivery network. This may not be a project that many people know about, but it's still one to keep an eye out for. By market cap, they're listed, as you can see, at number 407 on CoinGecko. Their network, CDCN, is a global web of nodes that connects and powers a new decentralized media company. And so as a result, what they want to offer is optimal delivery speed, affordable costs, premium streaming quality, and unlimited shared bandwidth. As an ecosystem for the media universe, they lower the cost of establishing trust and distribute bandwidth resources efficiently across geographies and sectors. And they offer Web3 solutions for storage, file transfer, audio, metaverse, video, and live streaming. And the big news of the week is the launch of their mainnet V2 that's happening on the 31st of March. And it's going to see improvements in their smart contracts, multi-codec adaptive bitrate streaming, and the native AIOZ token wallet browser extension. So something to look forward to and see if the AIOZ token will receive a positive price hike for all of the team's efforts. And we bet that that's very likely. Here's the bullish scenario for AIOZ. If it manages to break above the resistance level at 26 cents, then that's going to be very positive. And if it gains some momentum and buying pressure builds up, then we might see the next resistance level and test it at 30 cents and 34 cents. With significant buying volume will lead to a good chance of crossing above 50 cents. But on the bearish side of things, AIOZ has been in a downtrend channel. So if the 20-cent support level is not maintained, the price could fall to 16 cents, and then 12, and then perhaps even lower. Guys, there we have it. 4 top coins for the last week of March 2022. Chiliz and Link and Axie Infinity, of course, are big projects, but lesser known projects like AIOZ are also worth considering, and we certainly feel they're worth your time. If there's something that we did not include on this list that you feel ought to be represented, let us know about it, guys, in the comments below. If you're still watching this video, of course, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Never financial advice, but of course, best of luck if you do choose to invest. Check out these other couple of videos that should be popping up right about now. Stay safe, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, and as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.